Hello everyone, I am Deepak Singh back again that the quotes that inspire series. These videos are my reflections on some of the powerful words that I come across and that have given me hope and optimism during my own tough times. There are going to be times in your life when you just have to wait. I am not talking about waiting in traffic or waiting in line at the supermarket. I am not talking about the waiting period between your planning and harvesting. I am talking about the waiting period when you conceive of something, when you come up with the idea, and when it is put into action, when the results actually show up, that time in between. This is critical period of time, as during this time a lot of people give up, lose hope, lose faith. They give up as they see the results. They don't have faith in the process. The universe doesn't work on your timetable, it has its own gestation period for everyone. For the human being to take birth, it takes 9 months. You can't speed up the process. Even science and artificial intelligence, for all the progress it has made, has come to a point where we can speed up the gestation period of a human being. It is going to take 9 months. Seth Godin. 9 women can't give birth to a baby in 1 month, regardless of how much they cooperate. The universe doesn't care for the intensity of your efforts. It's going to make you wait for good reasons. It has its own timetable. Good things take time. Watering or putting fertilizer in a plant every day won't make it grow faster, it will kill it. Therefore, there is this built in buffer times before the results of your efforts show up. Get good in utilizing the waiting period. The Bhagavad Gita says, be detached from the outcome. I personally believe focusing on the outcome is the biggest distraction to anything substantial and long term. If you are always focused on the outcome, if all the inputs are tied in the watching the results immediately, you are not going to put your best efforts. The Bhagavad Gita says, be detached from the outcome, focus on the process, understand there is buffer built in for good reasons. It will never be a straight line from your vision to reality. When we map out a goal and we decided steps, we have to get comfortable. We have to build in flexibility for the unexpected twists and turns. Old Chinese proverb, what makes the gods laugh men making plans? What makes the gods laugh men making plans? Human being making plans is what amuses God. But it does not mean that we shouldn't plan. Instead, we should understand that there is no straight line to anywhere. A profound lesson for here for everyone, as there are millions of people like us waiting for circumstances to change, waiting for the next job, waiting for the entrepreneurial venture that they started, waiting for it to succeed, waiting for their health to get better, waiting for better tomorrow. Sometimes we will find ourselves struck, we will be conceived that the universe is conspiring to denying us a better tomorrow for the very opportunity that we think we deserve. Use that waiting period to deepen yourself just like water does. Deepen the reservoir of your skills, your knowledge, your patience, your drive, and your ambition. Do not let these waiting period dishearten you, but instead harness use it to make you more powerful just like water does. Bruce Lee said, the shapeless, formless water is going to find a break through its way forward. But the way deepens it and makes it more powerful. Professor James Richardson wrote another quote on patience in his book. Patience is not very different from courage, it just takes longer. Patience is not very different from courage, it just takes longer. I love these words. Personally, I feel patience is like courage running a marathon. Like you can have courage for a few moments, have a burst of energy to achieve a goal. Patience, long term persistence is like courage running a marathon. To everyone who is waiting for the results of your hard work to show up, waiting for your circumstances to get better, waiting to pay off that loan, waiting to get into college, waiting to get a better job or move to a new city, waiting for some of these restrictions to disappear which you feel are holding you back in your life right now. Here is my message. Maybe this wait is a gift, a blessing. Maybe it's here to make you stronger and more capable. Maybe it's preparing you for the success and for the opportunity that lies beyond it. Maybe the breakthrough that you are seeking is just around the corner. Be like water. Let the weight make you stronger and deeper. Let the weight make you a force to reckon with. Work harder during the wait. Anyone can work hard when the results are visible. When the results are emerging, humanity would be so different if we could offer guaranteed outcomes. We know they don't exist. There is only a small percentage of people who can put in the efforts during times of uncertainty. These are the ones who will actually transform their lives. Work harder during the waiting period. Promise yourself not to be lose hope during this time to have faith. Don't quit poem. Edgar Allan Poe. You never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems afar. You never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things seem worst, you must not quit. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things seem worst, you must not quit. Patience is not every different from courage, it just takes longer. Professor James Richardson. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.